Okay, everyone. So, since it seemed like I was going a little bit too fast in class, I'm going to go ahead and do a few short videos. And so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a video per example. I didn't want to make one really huge video, then it would take too long to upload. So, and probably too long for you to download. So, I'm going to do one video per practice problem, and I'm just going to do practice problems from the book. Okay, so the first one that I want us to look at is Skill Builder 6.10. This is page 187. We'll do this one next. But let's just look at this one first. So you can go ahead and pause the camera so you can get a good look at the photo, at the image. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and practice this one. Okay, so you see in the problem, so this is Skill Builder 610. So as you see in the problem, right, they're telling us that we have a compound that contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and they're giving us the masses of all those. Right, so carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. And so I put those letters there because those are our variables. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for our subscripts. And we're trying to find the empirical formula. Right? So we need to find the lowest whole number ratios. Right? So we have to do that by changing grams to moles. So for carbon, we have 165 grams. For hydrogen, we have 27.8 grams. And for oxygen, we have 220.2 grams. Right, so now we have our grams. We want to change all our grams into moles. Using our molar masses, so for carbon it's 12.011 grams. For hydrogen it's 1.0079 grams. For oxygen it's 15.999 grams. Okay. And so we convert them into moles. So for carbon we get 13.7 moles. For hydrogen we're getting 27.6 moles. And for oxygen we're getting 13.76 moles. Okay, so now that we know our mole amounts, those are actually what our subscripts are. So we can rewrite it to look like this. Carbon 13.7, hydrogen 27.6, oxygen 13.76. The problem is that these are not whole numbers. So by dividing by the smallest of the three, then we can get them to be whole numbers. And that also makes sure that they're the lowest whole numbers. So dividing everything by the 13.7, okay, we find out that we have, for carbon, that's the 1. Right? For hydrogen, we get 2.01. And for oxygen, we also get 1 for that. Okay. So the empirical formula becomes CH2O. Okay, so this one was very simple. Everything was roundable, right? These two are already 1, and this is so close to 2 that we can go ahead and just round it down to 2. Right? So that's the answer for the first problem. Okay, go to the next video.